Welcome to Quantum Mechanics 34th lecture. Today's topic is commutator problems, and this is for BSc semester 5 students. MSc and NET students can also follow this. Commutator problems in quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics lecture number 34. Problem number 1. If A and B are two operators, prove that A comma B is equal to minus of B comma A. Commutator A B is equal to commutator minus commutator B A. That's the question. So we write answer LHS. Take LHS. Commutator AB equal to AB minus BA. We can take a minus sign as shown. That is minus of BA minus AB. Minus of BA minus AB. That minus of BA minus AB we can write in a single bracket. It is not a commutator. Single bracket. Not a square bracket. Single bracket. That is equal to minus of. BA minus AB is BA commutator. So it is RHS. So when we read this, LHS commutator A comma B is equal to AB minus BA is equal to minus of BA minus AB. That is minus of BA minus AB you can write in a single bracket, parenthesis. That is equal to minus B comma A commutator. കാരണം ബി കോമ എയുടെ എക്സ്പാൻഷനാണ് ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ കാണുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ആർ എച്ച് എസ്. എൽ എച്ച് എസ് ഇസിക്കൽ ആർ എച്ച് എസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം. Show that commutator d by dx, x is equal to 1. ഈ കമ്മ്യൂട്ടർ 1 ആണ് തെളിയിക്കുക. So by definition, d by dx x commutator is equal to d by dx x minus x d by dx. So the first x we write with a separation, not write dx by dx as 1. It is a commutator definition. dx by dx and x are operators. So ab minus ba, in that manner you write dx by dx x minus x d by dx. The first value is not 0 because x is operator now. Let it be operated on f. ഒരു ഫംഗ്ഷനെ പുറത്ത് ഓപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിട്ട് വിചാരിക്കുക. Let it be operated on f. That is commutator d by dx comma f is equal to d by dx x minus x d by dx f. Multiply by f inside. So we write d by dx xf. X into f is xf minus x into df by dx. Xf is a product of two functions, x and f. So we apply product rule. X df by dx plus f dx by dx. Now you can write dx very close. Minus x df by dx last. The first and the last terms cancel. We get f into dx by dx, which is 1. F into 1, 1f. So we started with d by dx f that we obtained as 1f. You remove the function. Operand. So operator we get d by dx x commutator. F is there. In the next step we remove f. On removing f, we get dx by dx commutator is equal to 1. That's the proof. Next is a similar problem. A homework-like problem. Show that x dx by dx is minus 1. Commutator is just reversed. That is, the first commutator comes in the place second commutator. AB commutator is minus BA commutator. That rule is applied here. So the answer is minus 1. And we can prove it in the following lines. By definition, x dx by d by dx commutator is equal to x d by dx minus d by dx x. The last x we write with a little gap. So here we do not write dx by dx 1. Let it be operated on f. F will operate എന്നിട്ട് കരുതുക. That is x comma d by dx f is equal to x d by dx minus d by dx x of f. Take f inside. X df by dx minus d by dx of xf. X and f we write it together. That is equal to x df by dx minus inside the bracket x df by dx plus x df by dx minus bracket x df by dx plus one more term. That term is not shown there. That term is x. The first term you write as h, the second term is x into df by dx plus f into dx by dx. That is f. That is repeated here. That is bracket is removed. X df by dx minus x df by dx minus f. So in the step above, you have to write one f, and on removing bracket we get minus f. The first two terms cancel, we get minus f. D by dx f is equal to minus 1f. Remove f. That is x d by dx commutator is equal to minus 1. That is answer. So you check the question once again. Let it operate on f. X d by dx f is equal to x d by dx minus d by dx x f. Take f inside. X df by dx minus d by dx x f. The first time we repeat x df by dx minus of product formula. X df by dx, that term is written. The second term is missing. Plus f into 1. Plus f into 1 is missing. Close the bracket. Single bracket. Is equal to x df by dx minus x df by dx minus f. First two terms cancel, we get minus f. Therefore, x d by dx f is equal to minus 1 f. F and f cancel, we get x d by dx commutator is equal to minus 1. Next question. If x and y are the operators such that, here also one step is missing. Such that you have to write one step. If x and y are two operators such that commutator xy is equal to 1, commutator x comma y is equal to 1, find the value of xy square. Such that commutator x comma y is equal to 1, find the value of x y square commutator. That's the question. We will take a photo. Sometimes miss. By definition, xy is equal to xy minus yx is equal to 1. That we know that is given. Given xy square, we have to find xy square. That we apply, the rule we apply xy square means y square x. And here we rearrange the term. We add two terms. Here, the first term is repeated as such. The second term is also repeated. Then we add two terms, yxy minus yxy. You know, the order is same, but one is plus and other is minus, so they can cancel. They get cancelled. So in order to simplify, we write the last two terms. The first two terms is in the question. The yxy and minus yxy we added. They cancel. And now we combine the first term and the last term. And from last term, we write them together, xy square minus yxy. Now we combine the third term and second term, yxy minus y square x. From the first two terms, we take y to the right side. You cannot take it to the left side. The position is very important. The side is important. Xy minus yxy, y is taken to the right side. and from the last two terms you take x to the left side. No, y to the left side, that is inside we get xy minus yx, and you know xy is 1 or xy minus yx, the commutator xy is 1, so we write xy square commutator is equal to 1 into y plus y into 1. The term in the bracket is xy commutator, which is 1. It is given in the question. So y plus y, 2y. That's the answer. There are number of similar problems. Show that the commutator d by dx or dou by dou x comma v is equivalent to dv by dx, dou u dou x, where v is vxt is the potential energy. v പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ എനർജി ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഡി ബൈ ഡി എക്സ് വി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡി ബൈ ഡി എക്സ് തുല്യമാണ് തെളിയിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡോ യു ബൈ ഡോ എക്സ് തുല്യമാണ് തെളിയിക്കുക. സോ വി റൈറ്റ് ബൈ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ commutator dou by dou x comma v is equal to dou v by dou x minus p into dou by dou x. ആദ്യത്തെ രണ്ട് കുടിക്കണം, പിന്നെ തിരിച്ച് മൈനസ് തിരിച്ച് കുടിക്കേണ്ടത് വി ഇൻറ്റു ഡി ബൈ ഡി എക്സ്. ലെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ബി ഓപ്പറേറ്റഡ് ഓൺ എഫ്. ഇത് എഫിൽ ഓപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിട്ട് വിചാരിക്കുക. That is d by dx comma v f is equal to dou v by dou x minus p into dou by dou x f. Take f inside. Dou by dou x vf minus v into dou f by dou x. LHS repeated is equal to v is a potential term. Potential is a constant. We can take outside. V into df by dx, dou f by dou x plus or we write the product formula. V into df by dou f by dou x plus f into dou by dou x minus last step v into dou f by dou x. LHS is repeated, and here the first term and last term cancel. The remaining is d by dx into f. F we can write a second time because v is a scalar function. That is f cancels. d by dx v is equal to dou by dou x v is equal to dou v by dou x. That's the answer. Show that dou square by dou square comma x commutator is equivalent to 2 dou by dou x. That's the problem. Answer: the commutator dou square by dou square comma x is equal to dou square by dou square x minus x dou square by dou square. We have written x separately in the first term in the RHS. That is LHS. Let it operate on a function f. Let it operate on a function f. That is dou square by dou square x f is equal to dou square by dou square x minus x dou square by dou square f. Take f inside. Dou square by dou x xf minus x dou square by dou square f. Is equal to dou by dou x of dou by dou x xf minus x into dou square f by dou square equal to dou by dou x inside the bracket product formula x into dou f by dou x plus f into dou x by dou x minus last term as such x dou square f by dou square is equal to, we again write dou by dou x inside the bracket x into dou f by dou x plus f into 1 dx by dx is 1 minus x into dou square f by dou square equal to dou by dou x inside the bracket or we remove the bracket dou by dou x dou f by dou x plus dou f by dou x, operator is taken inside, minus x into dou square f by dou square. Therefore, LHS becomes equal to, LHS we write as such, equal to x into x is taken out. Two function. We apply product formula. First function x into derivative second d square f by d square plus second function df by dx. The derivative first dx by dx 1. Next term is written as such. Last term is also written as such. The first term and the last term cancel. The remaining is df by dx plus df by dx, 2 df by dx. So dou square by dou square comma x, f is equal to 2 dou f by dou x. F cancels. That is dou square by dou square comma x is equal to 2 dou by dou x. That is all with our commutator problem. We continue with the topic lecture. Thank you very much.